मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसके होठों में गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा है। वो जो देश कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, कभी वंदे मातरम, कभी पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ उत्कल बंगा है। वो जो देश हर ठुकराए हुए की चरण स्थल बन जाता है, सात समंदर पार परदेशियों को भी अपने ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर कहलाता है, वही प्रेम की पूज्य भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है, भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। A very pleasurable respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Amrita of Class 2 first year science student of our prestigious institution KSP. Today I stand here not with a soft dream but with a strong determination. Today's topic is if I were a prime minister. So let me clear you boldly that being a prime minister is not just to holding authority, it is to holding responsibility. And if I were the prime minister, I will strive to hold this responsibility that each and every citizen of India would say, yes, this is the India of my dream, this is the India of my dream. And I will clear you that India is not just a country, India is the responsibility. India is the responsibility of 1.4 billions of dreams, hopes and expectation. And if I were a Prime Minister of India, I will shake complete system of India. Yes, shake complete system of India from top to bottom. Because India does not lack in ideas, it lacks in execution. India does not lack in resources, it lacks in honesty. India does not lack in talent, it lacks in its priority. And in this case, I will promote to make India a developed country. We know that a famous quote in Indian Veda, Swadase Pujyate Rajan Vidwan Sarvatra Pujyate. Education is the pillar of a country. I would say that Indian government is spending 4,000 crore rupees only to make a BJP office. Why? Did you even thought that if this money is made to make institutions like IIT, AIIMS, so how our country would be benefited? Why Indian government is spending so much money in this? And if I were a Prime Minister of India, I would completely change the educational system. The educational system will be more affordable, accessible and technological to all the citizens of India. No unemployment, no meaningless jobs, no meaningless degrees would be in India. Would you even thought about to make jobs, to do jobs in abroad? Any one of you should thought that to make jobs, to do job in abroad? Why? Why we do jobs in abroad? Is there any deficiency of jobs in India? If I were the Prime Minister of India, I will diminish completely the unemployment. I will create the job opportunity in different sectors, both primary, secondary and tertiary sectors, to create more job opportunities that Indian people will do jobs in only India. There is no requirement to do jobs in abroad. In Veda there is also said that Arogyam Parama Dharmam Swasthya Sarvartha Sadhanam. Arogya Parama Dharmam Swasthya Sarvartha Sadhanam. This means health is the topmost priority of India. But nowadays in India, there is hospitals without doctors, village without clinics, people without money, and patient without money. So if I were the Prime Minister of India, I will give access to every citizen, including poor and villagers, that they could access affordable price, they could access their healthcare in affordable price, and there will be no corruption. And we know that nowadays corruption is more in each and every state of India, in politics, in economics, in education, in everything. So if I were the Prime Minister of India, I will completely change the justice, law and order of India, that it should change, and our country must but now our agriculture is falling. So if I were the Prime Minister of India, I would provide the farmers better agricultural system, better irrigation, better seeds, better plowing system, and also loans requirements for their agriculture to promote their incomes and to increase. Also, I will try to increase the MSR product to increase their supplies and production. And if I were the Prime Minister of India, I could not tolerate the fear of women that they face every day. Every day, women face fear. Why should women think twice to step outside? Safety is not a privilege. Safety is a non-negotiable right of women. And if I were the Prime Minister of India, I would ensure that each and every woman of India should get justice and safety. Safety is a non-negotiable right, and each and every woman should get this right. Why India should create Ram Mandir by a major expense? We know that India spends so much money to create Ram Mandir. So why we require this? If this money is utilized in other sectors like primary, secondary or tertiary sectors, or by creating new institutions, by developing technologies, so I guess India should more develop than creating Ram Mandir. So there is no requirement to make Ram Mandir. Atal Bihari Vajpayee said there is no requirement to give anything free to the people, otherwise health and education. No requirement of to give other things free. We know that there is 1.4 billion people in India, but only 10% people of India holds 90% of the property. Why? The businessmen and other rich peoples holding 90% of the money. Why? And other 90% of the people are voters, and those voters are getting free rations. We know that food. Why? If I were the Prime Minister of India, I will ensure that those 90% people in each home, each one will be educated and get employed, that they would say by themselves that we did not require any free things from government. And in India, there is the more privatization. You know, the government banned BSNL and government banned BSNL, which is the government authorized network, but it promotes Airtel and Jio, which is the private, which is owned by private authorities, and those private authorities are now benefiting. And if I were the Prime Minister of India, I would ensure that no more power be encouraged by the private authorities. Why private authorities should get so much money? I will be the government, I will take the money, and this money will be utilized in different sectors to develop my country. And the most important thing in a country is a hygiene. India lacks in hygiene. Rivers are dirty, there are so many slums, flowing of water is not regular. Why our country is facing these things? Unhygiene leads to diseases, unhealthiness, and we should conscious about this. And if I were Prime Minister of India, I will ensure the hygiene and cleanliness of my state. So at last, I would say that India is not just a country, it is a country, it is a responsibility. And it is our responsibility to make our India a global leader and a clean